this is Munib, growth strategist from Growth Beyond Horizon. So here we are back again on Amazon Seller Central, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys about the order returns and management of orders. So from the menu, go to orders, and in the orders click on manage orders. This opens a new window. Here you are seeing seller fulfilled orders, which means the FBM orders. From here you can see the pending orders, unshipped orders, cancelled order and shipped orders. Right now here is zero orders cause it's a new account, and if you want to see the FBA orders just simply click on here, and here are the fulfilled by Amazon orders. From here you can see the pending orders, cancelled orders and all orders as well. And let's move to returns now. Again go to orders, and in the orders under the returns and recovery, see here you can see the manage seller fulfilled returns. Simply click on it. Seller fulfilled returns means the FBM returns, cause the FBA returns are governed by the Amazons itself. From here you can manage the seller fulfilled returns, the FBM returns, pending actions, completed returns with A to Z claims and all the required things. So that's it for today. I hope you guys would have understand all the things clearly. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video. I'll catch you guys in another video.